Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. In this video today, I'm going to be doing a review for the Fancierstudios green screen / blue screen, and it fits all inside this little package here. It's perfect for taking it on the go and storing it when you're not using it. Let's jump into the video right now. And if this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm a tech channel that loves doing how-to guides and live streaming on this channel. This green screen is perfect for me because my work area isn't that large. That's why I decided to go ahead and buy it from Amazon.com. The green screen / blue screen from Fancierstudio comes in a small circular case where you can go ahead and store your green screen when you're not using it. The case has a small handle on it and a zipper on the edges. Now let's go ahead and take the green screen / blue screen out of the case and pop it open for the first time. Now this does come with two colors. The front side I have facing you right now is blue, and turning around the other side will be green. For me, it depends on what side of the screen I'm going to be using. My lighting tends to be a little bit more green, so if I have a green screen background, my head will sometimes mesh into the background, and using a blue screen might be a little bit more effective for me and for you guys. The screen is very lightweight and has a steel outer edge to it. One thing I would like to note, these can bend pretty easily, and sometimes they may get bent out of shape, causing your green screen not to lay flat. The green screen on the horizontal edges does come with two handles, and on the vertical edge it does have one handle you can hang it from. I didn't measure the green screen, but it is very light and it's easy to rotate and flip around. And it's easy to bend the green screen. One thing I bought with this green screen was a stand. I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the stand. This is a great way for putting it behind you when you're sitting at your computer or when you're shooting outside. The green screen and the stand I'll have linked down below in my description. And here is a comparison with me to the green screen. It's supposed to be 5 feet by 7 feet tall, and I am 5'9", and it's clearly not that tall. So let's whip out a tape measure and measure this properly to see how tall and how wide it actually is. Let's go ahead and start at the horizontal edge and move across to the other side. And the results were about 4 feet 10 inches wide. Now let's go ahead and get the vertical measurement from the top to the bottom. And now the results for the vertical measurement, it ended up being around 6 feet 6 inches tall, which was about 6 inches off from where they marked it as. So if you're someone a little bit taller, this green screen will be a little bit too small for you. And taking down the green screen and folding it up and putting it away is very easy too. A lot of people don't know how to do this, and this is my favorite method of doing it. I like folding it like a taco first. And after folding it this way, I'm going to try to connect the top and the bottom parts of the green screen, and then I'm going to fold the top over onto the bottom, kind of like a G. And for me, this is the easiest and quickest way to remember how to do this. And from here, putting it in the case is quite easy. Let's go ahead and do that now. It may take a few tries, however, I found having it on the ground and keeping the case by it is the easiest way to do it, kind of like I'm doing it now. Or just laying it flat on the ground. I'm outside right now and I didn't want to get grass all over my green screen. And from here on out, you can go ahead and zip up the case once again. And the screen is now ready for storage once more. And here is a better look at the stand that I'm using to place my green screen on. I really enjoy this and I do recommend it. It makes everything I do with my green screen a lot easier. Some good things about this screen are, it's green and blue. It's lightweight enough where I can put it on a stand. Also, I can collapse it and fold it and put it away when I'm not using it. And I like the size of it. It's not quite 5 by 7, but it's perfect for the size of my room that I'm using it in. Also, I don't think it will be tall enough for some people, so you might want to look at a little bit larger option. Some bad things about this screen are it may come bent already where the steel outer rim won't lay flat. And I think if you keep continuing to fold that, it may end up that way eventually. So just a heads up, when you're folding it too much, just be aware. And I can maybe see some people having a problem with how the shade of green is or the shade of blue. For me, this product was a grand slam at $39.99. If you like my review on the Fancierstudio green screen, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and check out some of the other content coming up next on YourSixStudios.